Good morning, Year 7. Welcome to Assembly. I wanted to talk to you this morning about motivation. Now, we've all been home now for an awful long time, and it's tough. It's incredibly tough for all of us. Having to take responsibility for our own learning, having to organise ourselves, and having to get on with the grind of schoolwork without having your mates around and all of the fun parts of being in school around your friends. It's really, really tough. Now, I've spoken with lots of you and your parents over the last few weeks, and I'm really aware that you're struggling with motivation. It's tough to keep on going. And then there's lots of you who sort of started during lockdown, started really, really strong, really positive, really hardworking. And as time's gone on, months now, it's been months that you've had to sit in your rooms and get on with your work quietly on your own. And it's difficult. It's difficult to keep on going. Now, we've got 3 weeks to go. 15 more days of school until it's a really well-earned summer holiday, summer break for us all. And I really want to the message I want to give to you this morning is keep going. I think in all sort of challenges in life, it's the tough bit that really makes us. When we're really challenged, that's when we can have such growth and really make progress in terms of our skills and our strength and our confidence. When we keep on going, when we keep on pushing, the end is nearly in sight. We're going to be on holiday soon. That's 15 more days. We do a bit of math. 75 lessons. You can do it. Go for it. I really think that when we finish something strong, when the end of the race, we're doing our very, very best. That's a real positive for us to take forward. And I think if you can put in a good 3 weeks work now, you can finish the school year, finish year 7 feeling like you did it. You really went for it. No matter how tough it was, and boy, has it been tough, you pushed on through. So go for it. 3 more weeks to go. Now, your parents will have received a letter last week inviting you to come into school. I'm delighted to say the government has told schools a week ago that it would be good to try and get students in, and we've been working super hard behind the scenes to get it all organised. And I'm really delighted to say that every single student in our school is going to get the chance to come in, have a chat with their form tutor, to have a chat with their head of year. And hopefully that's a real positive for you guys, just to have the chance to pop into school. Now, I know that some of you, from speaking to you, feel a little bit nervous, a little bit anxious, thinking, well, I'm behind on a bit of work, or I've struggled with this, I'm nervous of coming in. And I just want to reassure you, we're not here to test you. We're not here to find out what you haven't done and get you in trouble. We're inviting you in most of all because we miss you and we'd really love to see you. We really look forward to seeing school not full of students because you're all coming in separately, but students back in school. It's where you guys belong. So please, please, please come along. Don't worry if you're behind on work. Just let us know. We're not blaming anybody for what you have or you haven't done during lockdown. This has been a unique challenge. And if you've struggled, that's okay. But it's really good for us to know. That will help us make sure that when you come back in September, when you start year 8, we know where you're at, we know what support you need, and we're ready to help you move forward in the best way possible. So please, please, please make sure you and your parents come along to those meetings. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all. It's going to be great. Secondly, you've been invited to a load of online lessons. Now, we're trying that now. As of this week, there are lessons in lots of different subjects where, and your parents have had all the details in a letter. You'll need to go and log on and your teacher will talk you through the lesson. You'll all be there. It's going to be a bit of a strange experience. I've got to say, I'm doing history on Thursday afternoon, Thursday 2 o'clock. So hopefully see lots of you there. I'm feeling a bit nervous about it. It's a strange and new experience for me, but let's go for it. So please come along to those lessons. It's going to be hopefully a great opportunity for you to find out a little bit more, to ask some questions if you need to have a little bit more support in your learning, which you've all been missing so much. So as I say, come to your meetings at the school, log on to those online lessons. 3 weeks to go. Keep on pushing. Have a great week, and I really look forward to seeing you all soon in person and to seeing you next Monday for Assembly.